Hi, Tyson Mutrux here, Mutrux Firm Injury Lawyers. Today I want to talk about whose insurance applies in a dog bite case. So let's say that you're walking down the street and you're walking by someone, they're walking a dog, and all of a sudden they jump out at you and they bite you. Or maybe they just jump at you, you fall down and you break your arm, because that's a situation that happens sometimes too. And that dog owner is still liable. Because you got to remember something really quick about dog bite cases. There is no one bite rule in Missouri. Okay, it's a myth. You don't have to prove that dog had bitten someone before. That's not something you have to prove. Okay, well, I'll just start with that. But if you want to pursue a case against that dog owner for negligence, whose insurance do you go after? Now, something that most people don't realize is that your homeowner's insurance covers you in case your dog bites someone. And that's in most cases. It's not in absolutely everyone. It's going to depend heavily on what the policy says. But if you have a home, or even in renter's policy sometimes, it depends on the renter's policy, but that homeowner's coverage or renter's coverage will cover you no matter where your dog is. Now, there might be some exceptions to that. There might be some exclusions. Again, it depends on the policy, but setting aside those exclusions, in most cases, your homeowner's insurance will cover you. And I'm going to give you an example of another situation where you can actually get a commercial policy in addition to the homeowner's policy. So let's say that you take your dog to a pet shop, or let's say you're going to a pet shop just to buy some things, and there's a groomer there, and they groom some other dogs. And while you're there, that dog bites you. They're grooming a dog, and that dog bites you. Well, not only can you go after the dog owner for negligence, you can go after the pet shop, the groomer, for negligence as well. So now you have two possible sources for recovery, not just the one. You have the two, and again, you have to prove negligence. You have to prove that not only did the dog owner do something, so if you're going to go after their insurance, but if you're going to go after the commercial policy, the groomer, you're going to have to prove that the groomer did something wrong. All right, and depending on the situation, one might be more difficult than the other. So those are two scenarios. Usually it's homeowner's insurance, but in some situations, depending on what the commercial policy did, you might be able to pursue a case against the business owner as well. So if you have any other questions about that, give us a call, 888-550-4026. Check out our website, tysonmutrux.com. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video if you got something from it, and then also like us on Facebook. We share a lot of great information every single day. All right, make it a great day. We'll see you.